ankura no amanfo no so no yeso yasade a ewo wo man no so eye dual carriage oman no asade a wo se wo ye mayen amanfo no the citizens no yen so ye hunu say yes ye man na som yen na yeso so dia na wo so yeso ye ya yeso ye betuma som mo man no eti what you know, Machichem, the discussion is reversed from under politics. Machichem is a political yamanyosem. Any sika sem a great year, need a kaka then asaba ye social lifestyle no. So by social a nipokubiano, more mamamre, and a mamamre, a mamanie, and Timachichem, yamanyosem, a great year. Isikasem ene yamanie ene yamamre so eti mibusa wo se kwan ben na wo fa so to aba ye ba politics mu a ede ben na wonim fa abato politics na political party na wo dwen no ede ben adesua suahunu ben na wonim a nti wo dwen sa party no anase ye wo to party no mu ma me no papa ye wo no mo party no anase wonam fufuo bi na wodi wo machiko party no na party na wo join no nipa na odi anim no presidential candidate ana MPs no ana nipa ya pa wo mo no die na anim fa wo mo winim se wodi wo machi se omo nyame ye wo madom na se wo mudi nkunim a obenya bibia di ana wo gidie bi wo mu se sunsanso bi wo mu a se winim se woto abama wo mo a ombeden ometima bedi man no anim eno ho enkomo ne yedie na wenum nyina no se wotena ase na wo ye mpensempense mu a wotimu se Ghana fo yeto sini pa
na me yeto sini anyway and the animal mo share on Facebook no yasa ababak nti mo betimi asa akọ in fact na yaso aye shikakra and so afa yetimi asa bentini wo apeso hwe no obetimi akọ den ene ma yasem ye mobo ka kire me
yasem mobo papa
semi ko support amanyoku obi nti anade
debi
ana semi kaya ye faso aye de
wo de me ma wo sunsanso ba akokra ye nyina ya te se garamse ye nyina ya te corruption meboa
yeah
tema ye ko abato no ade a ne hia me pa ye no ma mienu maba na mekotu pa ma nto aba no bi na campaign me ye ni nyina no ejina garamse ejina corruption
na garamse satana ni din na pieza
garamse de sister e chance ya chepa
basada no na oho but na nkofo hu se de essay nsu no
na omu
no mu boso
no mu hunu na no mu hunu nsu nsanso
yes it na ya de na o na so de wo hu asi
na ma hunu dada so civic education no de enam se bidi akire no ntino me pe no man hunu so san say me ma hunu se Ghana fo no nyebu ne yebu ye ne agu no ma so dim na yenim yeti amansan yeti abro kire he
yeah sure
yeah yenim
na yesi e play mu omo
o se play mu
yes internet so bi nim bibi de yesi o play mu
tore bia uko emra no wunim nso uko yamfom so amra no chiwa wuntim ko gina koto nkase wunim yamanwefo no o ma di ehwambo
ade no ma di ehwambo
o ma di ehwambo pa esan se wo ma mfantete ye na wo se yenya na amaye amansa me no ye wa abrochire wo fie o garden na wo no edua esim no obetime twa wa bra cancel fo unkosere kwan edua si wa o dua
ediampo
esi wa nkasa wo fie o
ejamo ba be wu ada wo premises so no ye se ji so free cancel sa anima de fo no ba
aro as
ni no ba be jeje o busa kwan ya fa so abo ni wu ye ni
ya kum no na sa de na wote woman pa na Ghana fo ye ni Ghana fo yo any foreigners China fo Burkina Faso aba abetua sika piwa bi ama wo de akoto 4-wheel drive na won sase
aseme yo hene
me yo hene won sase wunsuo what all the water bodies your forest your kwaye ni nyina adufuru pe boni ntino ya say no enti se wo yo bi a wodɔ wo man paa sɛ wonya nteteɛ ama yɛhu wahu ɔmamba pa wasɛdeɛ wɔ man mu a nti ka bɛyɛ saa kurukasɛm no ɛnkɔ yie hwɛ kwanyɛ fa so a corruption katasehyɛ adi ɔmaa no ɛnya na ano adakora hwɛ MP foɔ kora ɛsɛ sɛ wɔmagye double salary ɛne akora mpo da ketewa bi wodi kwan wodi ama obi contract hwɛ yɛakwan yi
Ozo salary ni die ye be so obi be sponsor ye me say obi ye pese yes program bi ni ye dey jingle me ma dey jingle wo ho na bobo mu din sa da ye
yes onye sa eno akwa no for kesi entuebo
ya tuebo se dey
ya be no say
hey
David.
Politics.
Na nipa ne timi hunya sa kopie 2 accounts. 2 different accounts.
Yes, but I don't know.
On your to so.
Adentina.
Imagine. On your to so ma me so mu nyina pa bibi aye.
Wo be sha dwumadi ase. Wo ka se bora. Eya nguase pa. Eyanim guase pa eyanim guase ma abaya wotwa mu eyanim guase ma abaya wote so sese ye
ade ko fa this ye hwe adwuma ne background o ye so a business woman of one party no
me be kan ho ase
ti bola da so guo ne bua party
wo de woni bibi mebodini me sua ade a wo ba me university tema me ye MBA no Satem na Pentecost wo mo panyini a wokoya opoku nyina no so satem nya mu
di asasa no
opoku nyina no satem no mo yo PhD mebo ni paredini ya no mpese mbondini sisi ye no obaye Professor Samuel Kwame Amponsa ye friend Akiola Mas owie school no called back to Ghana 2005 obie no besua ye waste management PhD Ghana government sponsor no ene obesua ye busam so okọ Ghana no
oye matwesi na ba
busam so okọ Ghana ye busana man ye se ede na obesua ye no ensunsan so be na wode be ama ebesi ne na de kire na no wo kire no wa no ene oda so ko kire mi wi ame ho ekoma Peace FM ko ton no ma Peace FM 2007 and the Peace FM so ene contact Zoom Lion na Zoom Lion friend no enti Zoom Lion for na contact ya nti e lusu ya ba no 2008 MPP lusu ye no ebesi ne obi am friend bio ma bohu de we ma ton na ma MPP fo aton na ba we ma fakwa bi so aton no ano obi am friend no obusa no na oka kire mi se ono no nye ono nko anako ye waste management no obetim account ni pa be 10 omo Ghana ho se siye ya omo kosua de no ba ya ye musa wo mo eti Ghana no
Ghana sika so
ya ba yo my sister see or tech oh we head of one of the departments your friend of Professor Samuel Kwame Amponsa maboni na maboni ya no mpese mboni ene de amade atudwa aba no nkohwehwe no e wo tech ho na mfaso apart from say woni masa amapa no adesua de bi wonu mu sunsun bi wonu mu obesua nimde bi a satem we no senka aba no yusu no nobody's making use of him and I knew on nko asoso no and I yatena wa ma waste management amene yen waste management a wono akosua hu nimde no abanya
asa say sika
ade sika akotete no akosua nimde no a wode ba beboa ma no obaye no ye gya no enye ne pemo but ye gya no aye wono so nipa be du o Ghana enti abanya obaye no de ne yeye so hu ya mekire no waste management waste ya de ye nim guase ye wo Ghana pa na wo ka bibi ye bo aba na chi na ye bo Ghana for so yesu ankra Ghana for so
ye na se ye ne so ya be ya
na tuwira no gu
yeah
adenti na wo se kawura ye kotu gatem
onia don't you think so say ebia kwan ya to say aha ye nim se na say ye be sesa ye mbola ye keep sa time no emi area say me say Monday be e be fa baller to be kwa mistake kura de we akoto be bi enye so de to no we kitimi nya letter kura officer ye timi be ba afoforo na me hu be bi omo we wo do wani mo bi no nam di nwa ko gu mu sana nkrofo yetim ye detect ye hu say ye mea
we letters on my address
me tie no me bo prum say me ma me nya sa attempt ni bio
na for to main one o mu de
thank you jeba mi hu sa de no wakote ma bonte so na wan hwe ye Tuesday anopa ye the ball abebo adote bi awia kete o afeni ye se ball ka besi ho
me da say
na baby e ton husband ku e ton banku baby enye enyi yo husband ku afena comfort ball ye ton aduane kra man comfort ball e di mirike fifie ho
mamu so asem ba ko Ghana ni no okotu regu no ede ne efi hu sunsanso boni a ewo nipa ankorankora so ene ma no so no onim eye ho asade se o magana fo hunu efi hu sunsanso boni
baby amama mi fi ba e kwa efre o se guji baby a Charlotte se fi ba e efre o se kwa
fa no nya NCC yo a
me da say why na attack no na me de bo mo so
na make us nya no mu fi
me busa o se yaka National Commission for Civic Education ya enka esanka me na o se betina so boden ho
Dabi
nti wo mti wo no omo officer yese
omo ye operation every 4 years ni yete omo nka abato baba ni e twesa
na guji enye no na nti ni ade omo ba
no na make say we've lost the focus say NCC is a whatever omo mission na ekura omo and nobody is doing the check
me say oni apanyi say tama ye nyina onya anyi say me but anya mbehu bi those days na confusing some way information we find
me da say na beka wasem
green
and yellow me
green and yellow
na
Range Rover say yes that those days say Range Rover
titi
there no your Land Rover
me ka say ayi
near baba mountain
me ka say Kofi Komonso omo kobo toilet omo yibi kire boma Kofi Komonso omo kobo toilet o so wonko enti woni amanfo bo toilet ni wan kobo bi nti no communal labor no wan nwen nti na wanya dai otimi nko toilet ni so bi osura na okowurem nti da kuro okowurem na aboate akoka no
okane
no man we timi ga na bajo you know me man na you know
yes okay baby bonne
so mo na mi kire no
don't you find change me da no
so mo na mi kire and presem ni nyamia ni mi di ampipi ho ya kakra me deep party no ya papa esan say wo hwe anisuade hu na ekuta
me eye yesu anya party no eye nipa ni ekuko ni mu no
I'm talking about the government
oni enu anya de kwa ban mu
me ba abanu ana so owu say I talk about change management so I'm dem tell no Ghana needs complete overhauling all the institutions in Ghana including NCCE se to say NCCE o office yes kuma se o mo obi wo ho
no yeah omo bi o
all the regional capitals
omo me say
even konongo
ai
woni mi say obi ni me be kun wo Kings Radio ye mi kwa mi su amom say logistics omo like logistics nti ye mu ya mu ano papa twa ball me left right center mankasa o ni 2 weeks time yes I your program ni bio avem say o su say omo ka ba ko pe ni pa do no penny last 2 weeks me by come be subi aboamo utwa bo me sem wo bibia na de den yakobie so a kire wa wo be kire me sem ni hwi me ko Cape Coast municipal civic education for what building a ebububu me the pictures ni be chone on my Facebook I post it forward so a soldier forward so immigration forward so sa building in China ni esi omu new market no
me da se membuso asemba ko sa wo ya ba ta na do ba ko to school ma na hwe school no
dabi
sa wo ya ba tan na do ba ko to school na untua no school fees
so mo mutimu ni suro mo nka no kra no
dem entina me se me di aba we hu yi a esan se de wotwam de wotwam na wa ba no so we me se aba we ni so ade hunu no esupa
because that's what cover sanitation minister event papa na wada na event ada se amapanyi so ton e bu hwehwe mu oh yeah bio ye wo me bo
me ba chopi what the ever sanitation minister nanto
ye ba nanto say
me ba so ye bon kuku ya ye bo free fie charity begins at home we need to solve the problem fundamentally The fundamental problem no, is the civic education. Semikan and NCCE. Commission, how do you call it? National Commission for Civic Education. There were 10 regions. And all the 10 regions, you know, or more offices, all the regional capitals, would they establish all them children. Now, and can you well resourced, human resource wise. And Nipa Yefa woman, so them children, and quite say a favoritism. Now, mum ye fe Nipa woman who him dear. Now, ya some of my Acadia won't a program back. One more my headquarters, sir, NCC, you know. Definitely, you should have their national headquarters. On the design programs, no my charma regions, you know. The same project, programs. Near charma say, Munyan various regions, various languages. And the program a year no and cocono, I come for mono, near yen voter region ever. The same program, near yen western region, Safi. Near Napa region, a northern region, the Gomba, some of them children. And to Uber say, within 1 week, you know, a topic back near the whole country. Now, who can say more office? Now, who officer is it functional? The fact is, office which you actually did, and I say secretary between, and I say errand boy be one, and not just office, you know, a office. We are talking about functional, effectively functional offices. A biwo. A year, okay, minister for sanitation, Ada. Okay, Obebem. But see idea when you talk about change management, abana also and also or empower. The word is empowerment. What empower no encourage NCCE. So Minister for Information. What you call optimal? So them saying NCCE yadia se Ghana civic education you NCCE and also mutu wana mompa. Na ya ba no asede enti se omuni akade omri ya adwuma wo se afobuo ne de ma aban o se ye de ma MP
ma wo se jama guti wo bibi busa salma cost Steven asemo de aba na wo bibi busa ho me sa
na asema yi na se the person me can to ye Mr. upon the so ye se aban na se de but only ni se ye the sase free ye friend say ye school sune ene de keka ho free mra emofra no ye de enyini ba no because eja wonim se kromo e se de ti amansa wo zu be di others enkwala ba ono ba no obekire wo de ase de wonim de ese wo ye
omo quality in English
ayi kitu ayi kwa ono ni oyi ni pampers kwa no ha just on ma on
omo quality en kra
the team no cartoons no mu se de enti o ni nyina omo timi decide education in fa won e de church now, when was the last time a big course were Yama?
What you Obi Bakaza Bruni Bakaza, you jumped the gun. Nanka, a watopa.
Badia Casa.
How to promote civic education?
Okay.
And not Kawato, and so what could be media?
Okay.
And you met by any moon.
No.
I'm saying, at your force when you make it. How to promote civic education? Kwambani a befaswa, sa civic education, Titiano, a beba manum. A yemu bakundo at the okay. The former and the non-former. The former one, and any education outcome. You were free education. Abano, why ya dear pa, ya jinatum, a ye. Now so, some brain is a bra. And Kawasi a curriculum, no, yes, a samuka cra. Nanka yadi civic education, no, yet you wouldn't be. So, and Kawasa started from kindergarten level. Nanka I go through primary to junior high school. To senior high school level and come the chromosomes and enye examinable junior high school any senior high school no a civic education no a bachelor politics a bachelor economics a bachelor socio-cultural on them children what if you nkura bre no mu a enka enuru tam mu a akura no ye dia means say no baby amadre mbanfo say akam huru preko na me dey them see name akuru preko na me kwanse let's just say I'm heading towards the grave. Anyway, minya 95. You come by here. But in Kankran, baby, need your work. Say, Akurako school, first Akurabi of 5 years. Oko school, my Betty, I got Josephine, Korean 2 fee, and your fee, a baby, a public places. Oko baby, that's what I'm saying.
Fee crap on
them. Oko baby said, penny, and a penny, and I'm not a penny, ye fee. I can't back with a channel. And you say, and Kabedin fear do, and fear do, no. Who was an Anka Sakaraba man. But you see, you know, yeah, the government is dragging the feet. Now we formal education you are. No about non-formal. Every year can NCC. Won't you NCC in free muda? And can see it was a CA and can NCC. One Ministry of Information. One Minister for Water and Sanitation. So on them children. And over there you sue
Zongo community.
Zongo community. Local
Zongo
government
ministry.
and can be local government. Say, Upesa wa address civic education, probably a sanitation ya home. A simple thing. Say, Minister for Water and Sanitation, no, Minister about we buy, and because be a muniska where you bomb pie, Ebiana, Unyanko point be a quabina.
Is it only about money?
That is not that. Make up a siso, Sessica Samino, and Tranche. No, additional, so, we are talking about education, Meboa.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. You need that, you need any num in Yaja. NCC. Unko yi civic education unko ka civic education asem wabra obeyi NCC every mu nanso Minister for Water and Sanitation no kasate mu ya no straight away concern ko apiki NCC Minister for Information, Minister for Education, Minister of Health, Minister of Agric obi busa am say I didn't know what Ministry of Information Agric and Education because could have very coverage. Ufa education a cover a lot mewa. Ufa agrica if cover a lot. Now cover health for. Adiachia would have any part to do a hospital. Enti ubitim information no so ubitima disseminate information no ubitima start with hospitals because I'm not for the hospital. Ubitima so education cracko school.
Confirm you 2 years.
So I'm now so I said
and as you go auntie.
Oh yeah.
Otibu at secondary.
Hey, Corilla.
As you be a Corey watch bush can tell me na
secondary school be anywhere. Secondary school
salad in tea.
Uti. Secondary school be anywhere no pa omunkwa assembly. E ka wodi enka say yenjemra for be the first 1 year no. Assembly be every present day be no first 5 minutes and not 10 minutes no. You talk about civic education.
It's part of their curriculum. Only just any money in account.
It's the education system, no free education, no it's very good. But to me, that is not enough.
When you are making kind seminar, Miss Amra on seminar, also I charge papa. Now, I'm going to say, a Ganedo, meaning, Seminar who upon Chichakua, teacher Copon, no Ghanea, meaning, understanding of democracy through civic education, nice topic. Stephen Ampedibio, civic education is important because through that citizens learn how their country's government works and how they can participate, manifest itself in many ways around the world and plays a key role in emerging democracies. Civic education key to Ghana's growth. Say in Nimnesadia. You patch to Asumamina. And the animal, Mama will say in 20 minutes' time, so Mamma Mosso, Mabem, and some I can and some are here. And I made him see a Fabi before. Pachaman and Common.
But as I see, I am for a security situation at Ghana. I didn't know, Sebasa. Any security
situation.
Any acrophone here. I didn't know, any acrophone here, so yeah, expose you.
A big crab or tie.
Kwambena we dey show say na no ada say appreciate for bi di etu AK47 yakoma akromfo.
Oh yeah.
Kwambena ye faso recruit appreciate for.
Thank you.
Is it political reason? Political reason. Politics. Are you telling me say politics no? What the politics kura and recruit you more? Why don't you use the right one?
Yes. No, only background ni pempo. Minia. Share ye wo obia ne ne size or the call ye juma for.
Yes.
Posy, those days, not that make say balance sergeant, we saw the only mom.
Yeah.
A mom they read.
Aye.
Over so much to me, John.
Yeah, recky phone.
There was a police no more proper in your man and they beat me graduate. Yes. You be what tema. Also no Ukutaudini be crack upon.
A teacher go upon.
Sergeant upon. Although, tell me and read it. No fear bomosu baby. Now, my body do what Tema side 2 will be on him Tema side 2. Over police in Bias on Conco. And so papa back up. Odu also abedi na chi.
Usro.
Na obodi, it is a drink kesi akokro. Oye do na ne be ka say, don't talk to me. Talk to sergeant.
Talk to sergeant.
Watch you. It will be a unipa talk to sergeant. Uye de obecho. And then hwe me nam abeka me share post ni baby. Obolo Schwarzenegger. Ni tuo no atofa sei. Na atofa sei. Ono ko ntimi ne ho. Na ye di crofo ba. Ye ko na say ya ka che say ye wine too much. Homecoming.
The same question.
Ye ko do wa ye tete wa na me hu say please for ni be fro. Omo jeep bi. Ho na me ni panyi pa no. Omo introduce me che traffic na me bon komo. And I'm so said I can't jump some fetch you on for me who said Schwarzenegger back or cow. Monsieur Do, who said Mamino, who to say old twice or tiso, Monsieur Vacay on Timofro. Tell them Musa said when they recruit too no. Who posted for be on height. Minia, I give you a roof for a bit more play.
Win him. As some of Wakano. I was psychological recruiting. Recruitment.
Yeah.
Psychological recruitment na Wakano. Structure wise, me what?
Yes. I was Sakura.
First of all, soldier for say no. Take your time no. Now we teacher no young man. On them children. On to be foul because one won't call how do you call it?
Field.
Won't call field. So on them children. And no, who baby a woko. Now who call as a recruiter. At least the one was structure be.
But say who said no.
Bon, see ya make no. Civic education no. Nya mien me kreni. And yes sir. Abano me bonnechi and say obi anim say me strong MPP na mo no say abano o man ani ko civic education hu say wada wo ho a ni politics na opese the transformational change agenda of this government no e superb and so ade hunu no esopa na so yenhwe bibi se si ye no ye de special contributor aba ye se wo bokro no a ana say wo fa kwambo ni bi so pesika edisi aba ni sika onye te se mi busa se kwamba na ye fa so ye bo ye sequence ye ma obi ngwa de nko bokro no are we doing that aspect
is that last time I can say no
we are not doing it because civic education you know and be conscientize ye and be me ye hunu say ye mamba pa no de ben akonsidie ben ya sadie no say nya akonsidie ya sadie no say kwamba na ye bo security hu ban so bambo kwamba say prosini na moa wo ye enemy and I say wo ye dey
ejamin twana omukro ye enemy within themselves nanu soldier for any police for akotututuo tamale na unti ye no unti say omukro ayese omubo ye hu ban no e de esi ani a what do you expect
tete notice abi pen
na me
to be honest
na say na me
and no break achia pa na ache.
And no, and then almost oh, you be hold no more responsible. You be say,
omu di unjuma. A sensitive issue.
Mania, I know you mean you penny. Dro. If I may dinner way out.
I'm saying,
let's say, I mean your penny.
A BSc, a month ago, now, now.
Oh, let your tell you know, say you're a former military officer.
Oh,
but be you try to defend the military. What am I saying?
Sir, what me bow say, sir, we security situation, you know. Mimi nimu kesi de hodi enye me line.
But how come say police funny
issue?
I saw your force here.
Military
funny to tutu.
Yes, within a month.
Last 2 years as the last 3 years, you know, the same thing happened. And I repeat.
Now me just say they see recently Tamalino. But within a month, this ABS, but no, our man used to move bebre. And I say CBU. And they come and tell me say they are investigating.
Win him.
And not me being particular.
Nipa no ya for omo soldier, ya for omo police and then. One knowledge in civic education and say.
But who is doing that recruitment? Procedure, but who is monitoring and who is watching the water?
Education, but minimum say both the military and the police, you know. One more training, you know. So on them, you know. They learn a lot. Especially
and how come say be to me acquire so become it be unprofessional
sometimes no ya na ye de ni ye suban a habit once acquired is sometimes very difficult to do away with Se suba bi
Then we are not ready to change.
very good. Mo can change in one sem. Nka me beka wa boss we mesaka. Ade ba ko di enya ne se Ghana for yem change. Ghana for yem change. Se see at you me mam classic example. Me start born ho da wuru eno so ache. Ana na anu ada former president Kufuor ni spokesperson no Andrew Awini what they atoso was say the politics is deteriorating in Ghana. Eyadia ehia pa ni nyina gina civic lack of civic education. Yanti politics as and politics pa no enye servitude o. So obi koto aba ma nipa kakra bi na koto aba ma nipa. Omo hwe nipa no nyanyam mi se me kwakupon de. Woti se me ma me ba no mo na me di wachi. Se me nua broje e wu e be na ye natumanti se ono na me se won qualify ya me hwe me criteria no mforo udin a me to aba ma mo. Be Ghana no ene ye koto aba ye hwe nipa a wokọ a obeden obenye bibia die na nye nipa a wokọ a obeden okọ a obebo ama no se ya hwe sa asem no address that issue no a minia the Ghana is heading towards minka doom as that is too dangerous a word na mom ebedum pempenso bi a
no dey one ye kobo because if
ebedum
soldier for ni police for eja e dey bubani na obia nya nka hwe obia akọ na assess ya
using civic education as an effective tool to address or to correct the deteriorating trend of politics in Ghana. So ngem chire no edum pempenso bi a civic education no I was mpanyimfo no tena se hu se sampanyimfo we na mebo omudini all the political parties, the Christian Council, the Muslim Council, the Media Commission, National Communications Authority, the Security Council, all the security institutions, traditional rulers, the Judicial Council, the Legislative Council, all the pressure groups, the Integrated Social Development Center, ASODEC, educational institutions, and I primacy edu NCCE. Adum pempenso bi a ose aban no of ono na wose initiative. Adum pempenso bi a na Akufo-Addo na ban no adum pempenso bi ose o initiate side way, including all the political parties, all the institutions in Ghana. Say the trend of politics no say hwe na kwan yafa so EMP. Side way anhwe anhwe a ebedum fie aduonu achi no. By virtue of the Ghana as a constitutional as a democratic state you be in parliament. Parent now so you credible parliamentarians because and no enye quality and you parliament. Excuse my language. Me person parliamentarians nya mu nyina now so majority of them no e go to bribe.
Oh na say no cry.
Majority no e go to bribe and you vote to as say no next
no there be a fair you can say MP obi timbe say me say amount to say
it is no
me MP baako education minister me me interview napo as if be say 1 billion and o kasa same way tins nipa no men kasa nipa ni nyo but nipa so dwen say me ni aba hawa kum say between kasa aduma we de ne me nya bi da o otifie na o ma me sori ye kra no nkofa for mo sika kuta no otifie me nsam
obi de say
asa
obi de say na po
edi nipa we fa nipa
obi de say na po wo hwe quality
best one for sika nko onya
sa na po wa me constituency amato aba ama no
fai bet me nua me busa o wo adwe no wo
say no so okutua sika nsa ya to aba ama no
wo wa assess o wo say nipa hu hia for the community
aye norm say so tia ba
we di on tua hwe o
so ngre be kire no hwe ubeko na sebe me no say my divert mom into business management me a teacher ni by profession me start as a teacher me we man to marry dey be american teaching ya dia me
French
and English so
French
so me kire no but the point is say obenya teacher for bi a sebe o ma ba retirement I'm not saying here wo but until
here wo and can so my
ubenya teacher for bi a mo nim de pa wo chese wo do mo ko parliament a ubenya lawyers for pa wo do mo ko parliament a enso wo ni sika woni sika eti ubena obi a wono no akogye bosia sometimes on kogye bosia because when
me nya besia o me gira o drag cartel is a drag we fui oba sponsor nipa no any gay ni nyama ne yes e person discuss or parliament afena nkofo no dem same team no mo Oscar it will be push your candidate bi amana de abewram omo ko fighting for their interest and then sir occultic nyama ye
okay secondary schools and occultism
about 80%
civic education me buso asem asema obre ha okay answer na meto aso me buso I'm sorry me buso question
obi from Esremo you first about 40 minutes time wetimi abemu
me buso question baako but problem baako a e wo Ghana enye lack of civic education ene dia ba but problem baako
as bows down to no
and until me catch say government you know I see Ghana as a corporate entity as a CEO no CEO no ene
me buso who started boss at Devro yi acha me kwa me dia tu din bi
yeah
omo panya be de chire bai na me si me gina ho me kava o so me ni sa chire wo so when you break or civic education me ba abai ba ye wetimi atwa baby no mo menim se patriotic forum o
na poso
mpanyifo nyina wo so
na poso
me ba de o kakra ma me ra ho mo o wo so o tie de nkrofo kafa ho o timi atwa ben wo aka so panyie asema okay afedi achichire me mu na me te ne ma twa betra ha wo chiche wetimi atwa ben wo
yan fa say ebia na won say the implementation of free education no I'm say bia or part of it na mum I mean defending the case I was saying as of now no nka bia wa prompt so on dem tell na no ya sapon the ex
communication director
immediate MPP UK communication director no honestly odi hu djuma na if possible a obewe ahu on be invite me
change that topic no na sa ko ani ai me pesa me kasa bebre
dia me can say
kuja na me bo
dia me can say
ami enjenyi ho
me bo asma me kan no me modua na mo me prompt na Akufo-Addo civic education won say we implement both formal and non-formal ne great transformational change agenda no say do sipe no nsanka say enipa of politics me pacho enipa no a what is our transformational change agenda no ba no sabe nya wonko a na wo be hia nipa na de oye adwuma no wo ma dwene te sei wo mo ne ye te sei so ho na mi kire no enti civic education no de nya mienum ne kurani say civic education is very effective for how and no in effect in sense no is going to control corruption
oni am ebo asema me kwa me baso ne say I am the say wo say prompt o man panyin na wo be hwe enkwala sa kwala ya especially from Ashanti region I am migrate to omo bank be kasa mo parties me friends you be say Sami Jamfi apiege
nkame ba o
and onia
nkame ba
say ya me de say wo ko fa sa asem
nkame ba o
say amabuo ni die efi system ni mo and akola kra o si bi was sharp teeth
hwe me to social we Ghana won so ye wo norm me to asisi ye no oma me bu o mo pa ye mkura yi ni ba ani obi o chair me just one day kura no I respect odi ene nkura no because akura na oba no winim de oba be ye daachi na say ye ne de wan de ye nyina abrodada me no ni de mi ye de abrodada wo kam ya makao mba jo so eno so kura no ani de wo homom na agro da media so na mom wo ma respect on pa ye age
ene nkura
be Ghana e
wo wa chemi wa dura no
some dem nkura nyini ba nkura nketenkete no ye wo to nye e be nyina
say we are so person to hu se man nkura na form na
some dem to ena mpanyin Ghana ni ye be na ho odi obi ayi Fred Agbanyo ona ye NPP NDC communication you know the first time o ka asem ma me bo me nsem tema Dr. Kosibo Chwe ne report on ni fa ni hard go research as investigation no na ma fo lost no obi ka asem bi o se mo NDC fo mo sori a na obi ti say Dr. Baumia obema na economic year analysis a na mo se me na me nko kantarate me kwa dia na me koka o kan sa asem ye to abari wie ye no na me so wow afa no wakasa hwe ma me ka asem me kire o 2000 before the election 2012 election no before 2012 election no the last programmer Kwamsi Faka ye so mo dem kire no feature na Mr. Yaboatin Jan.
Yaboatin Jan.
And feature Jenny Adam Botwe. And feature Miami Kwakubako, my man. So and also feature we one other person. We have Kwasi Pratt. Chama kwam se baka anytime I saw program bi am chia bebre oni Kwakubako. So ade kwam se baka kan any say me kasa pa. What's wow. So far this is the best program I've ever had. Which I'm saying intra. Say nipa for na ba ho no. There was no political color. They all behaved as Ghanaians. They talk
including
about
what you ever say.
Me see the all of them. Ya boat Mr.
Jai.
Jamboati ya boati jai. Dambotwe Kwakubako Kwasi Pratt. Woman nyina eti dano sada no pa me busa am say nti some was side way wo ene ekoto abari wie ya ene ndisi wini ye. Busa am say how did ya boati jai behave? O change ye. And this someone
break of
police. Here pass some yes. That is me. Peace from unim say obi am say peace from there or you very strong.
What can peace from man can you
ade
was the peace from
but some program no media obusa me rating is the best program.
The best program so far
because civic education me hail bebrebe no eda no odi djuma pa
you remember tiefo mu numbers no na acknowledge ye nuanom so ani omo Edi Juma station America just a high FM. Ewo in price so kwa. Omafa Jumadi lifestyle so na Abrimpo ene Aminado wa America memo. Omafa Jumadi ncheka se koma sigibi ne nuanom a omuso aboye ma Jumadi ayedi wa ha no epie ko baby bia. Me so se momuntie ne kwa. Na momye fambo ye brand so so your best say in Yanamo say sponsorship, especially in Ghana. So maybe a program because they say you're quite lobby. Say you compare 4 days to cry. That's a moon come on. Yet, there's a coach now. You make a year man. Now, the coach money. Yes, Samo. Obama so more Mitchell. A year, Miami, Bami, my man, and our time and also London. Yes, in Czechia. And come out. Ne anuanum nyina mo hwe no ye chia mo nyina ebo Ghana 10:30 UK 11:30 pa me o modin so abie lines no na mo so matimi ade mo contributions aba ene ye nua o kansam minim se ye wie be sa twe na ba sa topic o mo ye de ye be wi ama obi a repair na ma me a repair okra me
dia se government first.
Yes, government no.
Also government.
We make us say
change management.
We make us say with this, no. Then it means that something needs to be sent to Jubilee House.
Nanka patriotic citizen. Nanki, so why do I attention? I think we need to speak to government. You need to write to government.
To the be a disable opinion. No.
Mami cho ade bako. Sa platform a making. Asenso boache woso. You jina hin woso. Onia. Me see.
Aye to the be a who push money pa ko kebi bia ma.
Francis asenso boache wo platform no so.
Constituency oni so.
Also.
Mami cho ade bako.
Onia.
Me che say masem ni nyina ne tofo nyina ne say Ghana fo hia enkyerɛkyerɛ sɛ wo wie university wo Harvard. Sɛ wo wie university wo hene wo Ghana tokuro bia mu no. Ghana fo hia enkyerɛkyerɛ. We hear BBC and Sana Yamamu no atimakoso.
BBC and Yamede. And Nina is about MPP elections everybody. Obia draw my attention I could be so.
Yeah.
And Yamede pa. Nipa mi so mudi edi anim nyina Gucci. Mebusa miami nyakuma Dominic. Fine kukwa mu de minim nyama on me aka. Nana B. Minim se waka bibi na bibi kwa wo challenge ni bibi awaka. Kamal Dean also a Canadian. but ni nyina ka hye me jo de e dominate wo Ghana almost slogans
me da se me pa cho ma memrem
almost slogans
me pa cho ma memrem
and youth na ko to aba no I dey find out say ni pay ba dey no be ya man
me pa cho
boys go chop
girls go chop some
boys go chop girls chop
I know some of you be say na dey no be the chairman
me pa me pa cho
yeah
me pa cho
boys go chop boys
enu se member
me pa cho ma men kasa
yeah
asama wa kan no me ka sembi hwe da bia me ka say chairmanship position no any general secretary no
well you too
me ba ansama ba no so
as a chairman there 275 verses
MPP for mo ni MPP for mo mutio me bo me pa cho me bo MPP for nya sa tem no obi be bribe mo you be see usu anke hye o ma they should forget about say as me see na my winning election na winning year me can play me gina na me can me MPP ni pa obi o patriotic citizen platform no so bia nim say me play uro do man ko Ghana and yet the current executive wo me na my winning election no I'm telling you one na Akufo-Addo won ne yire wo mo boa papa
you are them
ba wo me a won ne yire wo mo ye campaign pa so mo dem kire no
ba say mo ye campaign ni pa na
sa me ku ye campaign pa
ina so ka current
executive some dem me go bi ba so mo dem kire no na Akufo-Addo na ba no nyankura ba
me ba na say ba say obi dia ba nya
me de mu na meka mo me nya hwe na individuals groups no form here and again no Ghanaians were fed up with NDC
na mapa oroka
Ghanaians were fed up with NDC na Akufo-Addo o me de no hwe ade pa because normal no enye ka ayade a e wo normal bebre wo se ye because time a ye be win the election no and in the next 2020 election na ye ko mitie
MPP e win election
aye
amo pay means be bia no more try some be your meeting dey win seat
aye
talking about even girls here loyal ladies ne royal ladies ne D ladies e buy e be wash cars which was very attractive so mo say ma twitwi car ho eniema e ma mo say me so dey tebi ne ye we aba bete then you the car kra be call and they were all soliciting funds to help
that make us say individuals no
mebo sanyi me we o ye nyina no onia anke yetimi use the same method they address somehow they obey is it the same method they are selling the government onia communication business so sense
me das me usa akwese ba ko yeto aba ni we no even though yeto aba no one of our weakest link was communication. The communication structure in MPP was very weak and now it is the weakest. Memuso asembako yeto aba ni we no who manages MPP.
No, after the
that topic we no national I shouldn't have been political. But you see, I mean,
let me busa say.
Yeto aba ni we no.
But that time no be manages Ankrofo no. It was individuals who were managing.
It was individual because you see a aba because that time no be here obi management. The enthusiasm was there. You see a permanent DC. The enthusiasm, and that enthusiasm is missing. It's diminished.
And
it doesn't exist.
How can that thing
continue? That is why I make us say. MPP exists in name. MPP MPP exists only in name. The management of MPP is very bad. Say see your executive on Mokope post.
All the
executive on Mokope post. How are they managing the go to the grassroots and see? The enthusiasm is diminished. The people are not happy.
Okay. Somebody yama okwaina yafe yemi me usa krofo ya abome. Me muso
bi o ma
me metie for them do mo pa ma me bi. 0044208 1338239 Eba ni nyina so ye de se enyo mu wi a yetimi tra akra wie 004420813382339 abusu amutie me ne yes okonko kantinka
professor
yes professor na me ne wo video mu a on the wonya so mu in fact the near break government ne papa o say you no any government na mom the here ni post because and code and a form ho You be a lines na to mu 0044 208 133 8239. Ubetimi ababeka ho na ya toa adwen bia ese ya toa yo Mr. Konko pacho no top mame yo Katanga na pacho atisa mini apeni adum pacho manen ko mame
Katinga
yo gucci so a
aya boy
Aminia. Thank you.
yeah check away Ghana first because MPP for more management no one there talk communication no one have to from the big it's me di won come e come at so aso no kana ye o kana ye wa asori e wo Ghana it me preach e ma fa kwa so dem it me no say on the clip for any part do say in the question dem part do say in the mosque and je tell me to make it bio ke me tell wa dey ka bi ka ma ni su no ye ko school no ko school ko pla asa no be fia ba bi tare asa no ko school e ye boa
Yeah, yeah, pa.
and no maybe na him for no ne boa ye Lawrence be gu Ghana e ti e ba Ghana ne fi Lawrence me kire wo ka wudi mo me kire mo kaka ke ahe for ya gi sa tu mi bi fi o mo ntem ma ama ye for ai ginja na o ti ko no ahe ko mo fa so ahe ko mo fa so ọmọ tó ń tọ́ ẹ̀dì kan ọmọ tó ọmọ tí nípa níbi àmọ́ àwọ̀ ọmọ màá ni mu nọ kẹtẹ bẹẹbi ní màá ní wọlé ní ìsìnkú.
Pacho penye mani wiena wabemu wai yo Pacho Katanga manenko
Obi kuta ẹsẹ bọ́ọ̀lù àná tẹ́ni tẹ́ni sọ́ọ̀fà ní ọbẹ̀ bí ẹ̀tún bọ́ọ̀lù ẹ̀gù ẹ̀mẹ́ nta ẹ̀fà sí yẹn ọmọ tó ẹ̀dì. Èmi kọ́ ní bọ́ọ̀lù àyẹ̀fọ́ ní òkú òtí àtà òye dìdí à ẹ̀fọ́ dùn láyọ̀ ní adìadì. Ẹ̀yẹ́fọ́ ní nípa ní bọ́ọ̀lù àná gbogbo tún ẹ̀yẹ́fà ní ọbẹ̀ bí ẹ̀kọ́ tó bọ́ọ̀lù ẹ̀gù díẹ̀ ọ̀fà jẹ́rẹ̀ dẹ̀. Ẹnu ọbẹ̀ bí wà ní yẹn kyekye ní yẹn kyerẹ́ pẹ́ni fọlọ́ kọ́ yẹ sọ́mu pàtó ẹni nọ́ọ̀mà ìka náà mo di nípa ní wà tìmẹ́ ẹ̀má ẹni mu no amanfo yẹ adwuma mi yẹ ti kyẹ́ kókó bi ka nkọ̀fọ́ n'adwuma yẹ sọ́mu kẹ́ ọmọ nyẹ ọmọ ntọ́ mo bọ́ di ewuro ní nọ́ọ̀mà di a ọmọ kàn ọmọ nyẹ mo adwuma ẹ̀kyẹ́ tí ọmọ ka ọmọ wà sọ́ni sẹ́yìn ọmọ nípa sọ pa ẹni sẹ́yìn tí ètí mi ti kẹ́ tí obi ka ní nípa náà ọ̀nyẹ adwuma ní obi akọ tẹ́ ewiem asẹ̀mẹ̀ ní títẹ̀ ní ẹ̀dí kẹ́rẹ́ tí ọmọ ka ẹ̀tọ́ ọmọ ọ̀nàbò ní àjẹjọ́ ọmọ tó náà wọ́n constitution fún kankan wíwá bá bẹ̀ tọ́ bi ti sáà mi nàbí kọ́mọ anyá amendment àgá ọmọ ẹ̀yẹ yie because we are young to have more money say and you actually not I mean so the who inside the family and the two on the phone I have for the fact founding the money from Kwanoa your father was to be a communal labor obi ya ko pressure and then I have for what he never know people no Ghana
No, talk
because I am putting you no be for no so on business and you have to talk at more and no come on too and no mutimi ka di bia aso for no almost be tika and my mom for to correct him more yeah, that's almost me catch almost a tape and check papa bar. And if I want to worry, check up to Bayana. And don't catch on me, Tomoko. I want to get in your
yo abusena de pe mame
I think as someone can in idea and probably all more if you am penny for and yet you am for no last cook as last content. But the actually the playing the actually a baller at the piano and the bio. In the Panama, the one. Kuma, Obia baller. When you tell you the show, every day you go, or Chaka might be a Ghana for him, every house of Gabon, the DIY and a year. You can educate me, but to be in the sort of apply. I zoom like a good man.
For the right people.
They just people that be power. When you copy this, you from no my
yo
the Okadi and the Crepa, but I see a be quite because the penny put it diabro. You can tell a tell a hospital. Kọ́lá ní àdé kúrò nípa Ghana nsuo tó alága mu nyinaa adé abota yɛ ɔman ne mu a ebetumi ayɛ kwan ne ade nti ntumi nyɛ hwɛ kwan a amanfoɔ nam ka nipa education deɛ nsafo ndɛm ahemfo ka ho asɔfofoɔ ayifoɔ ka ho asɔfofoɔ ka ho politicians deɛ ebi ɔmo ntɔm so deɛ a ɔmo mmerɛ na wahyɛ n'akɔ fɔm nti ɔmo nkoa ne titi kalama mu ti ɛna ɔmo atɔ ɔmo
yo
ɛdɛ ɔman ne mu
Katanga Pacho jekosuna wa chinetie ye na ebekwa be manu asa abamu bio me da se Pacho penyi kase be na menya ni
yo
openyi mantina pom to say Yo, that means oh, ponko pentempa, what charge yo. Open money come me. Yo.
Yemi okasa sisi me manano mam. Na papa na namo ne no studio ho no, pato ye friend say.
Ah, your friend Okonko, yes, or Poche cook and tinker. It didn't know good be.
Pa no kware wa kasa ma na kuma to me yam. Se unim se tete ho no yen time no. Na ade a friend respect ubu pa o school mude. Papa bi. Sa emprewani sen ba hati ebi ni ho. Because upia bonte na hu teacher wa mane. Itu upia bonte, upia suro ni teacher. Upia. Iti tete ho no se sanyi se ba hati ni ho. Ene obunu ni ho bio. Na ye fere nyina ma roles se na papa yake. Sa aya civil education a obegu no na manne Ghana atete pansam. Iti se gebe ya se na ma na kano, ene se na kuti kuchi so kind no ebe ya yen start bio from class 1 from beginning yen start bio from beginning from class 1 ko na yeba sana babak na se ye wonga nyi da re do so kwa kwetera o te dem o kin na na sensi onti
ko jere bribe no wo
oh na ye fa ye syllabus o school ti na tete ho no ye civil education syllabus no oh na every no watch no nti say syllabus ni ye 8 a won fa no kan na ye 9 na ye fan kire mo fra no na wo benyi no na je say obu aba ene wo kura niam na abofra sia wa na so twam eso nka tete ho no wo kura bibi opanyin kura bibi na abofra hu na be bia okobi obegye dia koja no ene ono abofra no mo kura pese wo panyin kura wo Jesu ama no etino na se mo no kan de me fo na so pa na se be ya banu ma sa civil education no and starting fi mu frem na be ne bona wanga wodo wan ko tana wa wuti o ka akese ne de huni fasi bia me kai tete ho no na nkurase no nga be yisini de akyere do wo kyere
mobile cinema
information minister of information what is civic education fi nga be kyere niam be pre nun mu nyina mu ne risi niam be pre ndi se be ya kam se yesan ko pack mu ni ko sinya se niam no na se ne okay say ya sofo nya na mosque dem no yen dia ne dia nyi because it's wrong apa ho nya okay nyina na na sensi o pende ma kona wa ko na ya kalabule ene ne corruption ngedi nti mu ye ban she mu fra no
Yo.
ye ni asana
Meda say ejawante asada kese come out. Yen yanoma afre especially those from Ghana. Mubetimi afre 0044208133823 na make kai musumwa mu message saba sumebo modern. Mo say Mespa from Argentina. Who the message bi aba make kai am. Seidu pom to say.
Na me ado amazai.
Na impibia ko ye de.
Koye na atiya na no ode. Ne dia.
Yeah, bebo papa usa wo kwantwa obi bia wo fie na ya na ade abrɛ me why yeah no kotos yeah
Me koma asɛm so. Asɛm we makapan na message su bie. Obi aba na Ghana mpanimfoɔ nya Ghana mpanimfoɔ. Besi Ghana mpanimfoɔ mo ne ho amoa. Amasai. Nipa
aye mene wa
aha. Iti Ghana ma no. Ghana kuro o man
I
Ghana.
want to graduate
Emu nipa wo nyina. Ya fei.
ya bro
Obi
pepe
yenya
Waji
yesu kwa dogu abruchi.
waji 10 Ghana no atu ababone
Because me see 1992
obi ko
yes I see
obi so ndi onje de okoto na pe
mo aye to apa ema ampanifo amafo ko parliament and before
so
by
we
na
have
mo
to learn
nipa group e ko parliament ho no na ka ba ko
wait your
e no
appointment man
eno ani ayi agbamba be
competent people are sitting down there
obi ti say date men sanu mu nyina ene omo o man no bi
because that me your friend said that kind of when you nyan of parliament no ye nya bi o say je mo mbetra wa omutimi su nyina ate akonwam su hini Osiwana ya bona beti so. I said no, I will not leave them. I know sa kwala ya di the ball and finish them. I need pay for a tremanso.
Yeah, opa ai kantin ka wo a wontie die. Hwe Ghana me makase. Ni pe ko parliament na nkasa kora no. Enyi ni pe se ko parliament na wo no.
Na nka ho se mo.
Ya bosso kra, ya bosso. Ya bosso.
Ya bribe na di pa ko parliament. Ayo bribe na do.
Corruption yi. Obi o ni bottom ye. Itina papa ni tifio.
E di slogan
Ya sma kwala no.
Slogan and ye to
Omo
aba.
ku adwen papa no a se bi o ma dwiri mu ado no.
Oniska.
Hwe na nse na me ti se omo obi raise issue bi se ni yesi woni 40 years ya. Ultimate pre parliament ultimate pre presidential can another ultimate president no. Ye twem na ye te so. Me se me ko ma dwene na nkadi pa nyina betia. Nka president ka unya 65 years ya na nka ye ma wo pre president.
Se ko edi mu kakra. 14.
Ade when bro bia na obi nti na aka sa asem na. Me ba say do obi nti na when bre no. Obi nti na aka sa asem.
Dabi o man sanya sa enyi obi anti na mom he me si emrantie ne mabaawa na ko parliament no omo ko mo ngoye hu ho wo de he say na wo ka say engagement and mo time ayi campaign for 1996 wo de 2002 no kra de we 96 parliament no ene wo meya biem because mature people in the Kuku parliament wo it no mo ka say Kufu Addo no the president Sabre no one more time na no more parliament wo. Wutin say ye debate issue a wutin say yes. And penifo na dwene mo pie and wo mo dwene o man no. And maybe e will be wo ani papa wo sika na wa force wa to delegate. No wa to nipa gu dem na ya koto aba ma nipa wa koto parliament wo.
When one makai openyi bi pa Ashanti regional minister ni we fi cross out in V8 na call premises so akora ni BT ni manager o do fe ni say na wa fe ni so aka ni we o se me come drive ko oh yeah so kai sa the issue dey see and enzema hine ni bag girl no
No.
o chapa pe mo pe we fi so okuta V8 na call premises so
It is any power you to a no parliament ya. You say input to papa bear pan or
bribe na di pa ko.
it will any sikano your politics na abani sikano and on say o mine it me who ka say na penini bia na penifo nya penifo na wan any nya na ko parliament wo any nya na ko you go take positions no.
I think a good so bibi. I think a good so person you are no.
Okay, dear, me no nya because yen nyina mpanyimfo. Yen nyina ntimi nko yen mpanyimfo ndi o man so. Enu tu ni yeyi nipa ne bi kɔ. Enti sɛ wo ka kyerɛ me sɛ yeyi nipa ne bi kɔ so mo nko di Ghana nim ni nipa dɔm bi constituency bi anim. No ɔkɔ yi sika sɛ me de me ne me girlfriend koto chinga to pampas. No be ka tell me say me ne ni ye pa. I would disagree because me man kwanko yes idea no. Yes man is onko no onko kasama the voiceless. And no ko di nsemu no. Eti ano no say ye kan wasama aha.
Mami so minka be.
Ebe yes o ko se man so di akokɔ pa o akokɔ.
Chinga.
Yo uya ni akokɔ so be so obibi ka kyerɛ o.
Abanyi say do.
Amasan me
Da be mani wie ne be ba so aha.
Ye tie.
Aha ni para ba ye no a all be preposition no. Wo ko promote na de ko to aba ma no wo se wo pon.
Enye nipa ni nyina do. Enye nipa ni nyina do.
But Gucha says about 80% and 90. You go no witness na say you go witness.
No, but
who decides on my job na so my attack.
Interest that's on one go to amano. If you have one go to ya.
Yo, Sedu, the Tioponso Diano, Tiopo Diano,
Abanyi say do.
Sedu, what you come to Tobo.
Abanyi say do moajo.
Sedu, co-pop as on Okasa.
Yo, abanyi say do. What's am na waka no nyese bia obi bere mu mpanyimfo. Na mpanyimfo se, ye bo panyina na ya so ade so a. Se utum nika ko gimisiri appointment a, ana wo ye MP a. Oh, it's about servitude. Eye som na wo besom na wo hwem a so kwan ye fa so yim eye MPs no enye enti mpanyimfo de bebrem wo mo na me brem se sia no me de
na me ba onia eno no so de o kan say kwan ye fa so di yi omo no onua ne be ma sa 10 Ghana be ma akako be ma pampas ne de kan ni onim se okwa nkwa de ho okote ne cancer no wadwen mo ho enti ne sanye mo na wo cancer substitute ne de akeka kenya onim o ne de ne se me baba betemeka na metemeka wie no masa pede me be sa de akọ in 4 years time
anu ti na me pa
enti wa wie na sa no wadwen mo ho
anu ti na me pesa me chese aban yo wo sese yi na oka obi aka Rollins no. Well, I don't want to talk much about Rollins. Yem fan to is an says no abanfoforo na woso MPP na woso problem no wabeto oba no nim say problem no ho nti say wontim ka say Rollins na creative problem ti na wu jam na to obe solve nti what is the current government doing about this situation a change management abai bia no wabetuma so si Ghana aso CD me gina ha na me ka pa fasa da ho obi challenge me no government would ever succeed without civic education. So one unconscious Ghanaians, one change the mindset of Ghanaians, no matter the effectiveness of your policies, and succeed, achieve a very about a small percentage. We need percentage now open. So, until young paying for any bremo, no mum, say idea, none say a boy penina, near so this one. Young paying for any two almost say, Yamana say, Yamana pro, a quite a fast to obey him paying for, and yet, until your system, combat yes, civic education. The government should charge NCC. Now what is also warm? Near son, Noma. Abaya, I got 2 EMPs, next 3 years, ye be any year, shares a bribery become NDC, MPP, PMP, and ye account PPP. Ye perceive who said, there are no good words, suggestion or the bar. Was it 2010 or so? My expanded MPP. On the first limited number of people na Kotwaba. And electoral college no afi expanded no. So am dem tire no. Ye expanded me to me the parliamentary primaries no. Nka wasanka ye constituency ni na Toaba. You need to control your cable say na sabi omo ni access
and meba I don't know do you think say when the NDC were doing omo ye say people for Kotwaba. NDC for the omo kotu ye.
Dem say people for constituency
almost the MPP for Gram. Happen to say, Oboka slogan crowd.
Now, because who election year, who shall you for MPP, you for election year. They are not talking about.
Say, well, crowd your money more. Now, where dear, what was any pay or 2 apostle more than him? It's also my 2 parliamentary candidates.
But to be honest,
all the more losers, I know.
One of the achievements, and it should be civic education. Also implemented, and I face quite fast to about the bribery and corruption, nye officers bribery and corruption no electoral bribery and corruption so no or say what this scene so no for kwa bi so
yo yema say do we na fe yansa meto so enianom ye bia lines na to mo enti no obesa oba obetimi aba say do bacho ran ya na fe yanto so
manzan ni dey make can say Ghana man no say the all can checheku kan civic education dey ho me ne ya adwen say o mani hian kire nanso yanya nkasa ye ne yere ne ye ma no wo hu ya mo so mo ntreke mo yere ne mo ma wo fie se obi a bribe nye obi be pe obi ba se be to abama no ano eni pa no eni message ya odi ba men gidi sika ndi so wan gidi sika na so kwa ubetimi oba ubetimi a for so say owura esi ya mo
na say do me ba onua ne kra ko parliament no ebedu ba bi no o mo akasa okoye ko anya hwekura ma abusua o sansem ni nyina ye ka ho enti ni nyina no ye ka mpanyifo we koye oye we ko wo di oba odun sadu guchi ni mo wo fa ya onya ne ba bi koyi banredu koye ene ne makrampo even talking of ye mie fani say yenye fund foundation kra yenye maomo enyano mo kwampo ni ayo ma adwen so mo beye library kra esi yensi afidie su kwa mane baba akoba so be kasai obi akra so yenhwa braba papa be bomaye ode ne ho be cha o man no ne macro educational we say akosan eti no be so to us me pumping go baby. It is in Armenia, yes, semi register said your civic education.
Civic education.
Yes, say your consume, Yankasi, a lot of our people.
The mindset of Ghanaian.
ɔmfie bi a ɔno ɔnyɛ n'adwene sɛ ɔkɔ parliament no ɔno so nsesa deɛ ɔkɔ afuom ɔnsesa deɛ ɔkɔtɔn ayi gyende
yes no say bow down to civic education
The government should take
we are nurse now wapania krafa ni die iwram we betra radio so na wo kasa fa ni die ibramu wo sia panyin
ami just fini ayi deɛ n'anim huhu sɛ ma pɔnkye bi a ɔno na bakura ase
and the and so civic education e bi aka mebo what can say civic education aka o mato nka okwo this is a pacho o meka say papa ti abroje civic education
Wazia.
oni ari akoda na wo chire kom ma hwe ya wakwa ye bone wo chire kom ocha time ko so the resume di kra no yes the time so resume di kra na so the 1 hour count
Apacho.
Mumpancha me na o duru ba bi ya sɛ wo hunu sɛ be nkwala nkete small boy to radio to me deep and important
Lack of civic education. Your social norms.
Aba ye yikri sukuu mu yi ni nyina ka ho bi because ye atari bi samafo wo na nim pe na wo kwa wo to sa ubeye discipline wo be discipline ho dada ene ye si ntwa ba bi nte na kwala mu ade ene asofo aba so asofo no kwa na je say be wo mu say ipa wo man mu no because wo ma me ye be ifo papa ye be ifo be di loto number be ye we na ka be de ne
yo yada say yada about that to civic education eteniano ene yenim si ewia asema shi obi a obeka che na ye civic education
That should be the slogan.
Yo, it should be a slogan. Yo, men kai sa asema ina fe ewia yen sa meto so emra aka yen 7 minutes a obi am fa na dia menti men crofo wo and price so near assume sister Mercy no why
and the sister Mercy last month
oh this I copy Berlin Berlin but Ochobenya civic education Ochobenya as a government of Ghana and GBC not helping National Commission for Civic Education to operate effectively. We are sure is it the government or your friend is a GBC in government no use GBC we bia no mo de confusing ni
follow that information ministry and
omo ba no mo ba be mountain no yesuye bibi fi me ne kwa cars ni kromu ni bi ye ma me Charlotte say wa me piemu e wo electoral commissioner akianti ni dinda o ejo be pie o say ona na me tia me ye adwuma Larry Bimi wo no bia tenenka ntenya aban no
aban ka ho resource
aka wo beto so ka ho onua center if you are innovative
enu de ka ho pa
we are leader you don't wait you have to be creative
what say nana komia wo di agoro wo STC
our menena kotra man de ne plans
yes wo di agoro ho pa nana
menene kotra say meni alasa na ko nani
yes wo di agoro pa
me do ye oye pepepe o say me di akutuentu de amansan hwemu wie ubi ani akasa na ni deputy no fi asamankese former DC ya no wa asamankese no ono akasa timi hye mo uniform ni bi no akotra otwa ticket
me say
wo hu so no deputy director
matene nkapa
na ono no
me be frɛ no
ono na dwuma oye kwa na kana na komia ye yedu ase wa me ko fa me pictures e hye body egu me so from we have say Cote d'Ivoire to Ghana near to six Kenya or Basim. Nema me ye nyam di ku na komia table so. Na mse bisa call me Facebook coaches e even fire exit nya bus ni mu no ya sese board there. Ne boxes ni sese mu nkete omu nim se metu nya na me video.
I say omu hunu.
Me video ade me se board there nti. Watra border. Every Ghana mu board there nti driver tuja passenger. Ɔne na ɛkɔ bɔɔdeɛ ho na yɛbɛdu takrade a ɛhɔ na nkɔfoɔ yi ɔmo smuggling goods sika no nyinaa akɔnwan hɔ
individuals
yɛka kyerɛ me sɛ yɛsesɛ sika wɔ pass na menyin deɛ ɔna mekɔka kyerɛ driver baako sɛ menni wei wɔ me ho ntimi ɔse o asɛ na apɛ sɛ ɔsesa a yɛsesa ne nyinaa so na me video mede ne nyinaa to hɔ ne yɛka kyerɛ me sɛ hwɛ sintim aboagye ɔne ne deputy no oye me ne papa me say opanyi chia me ɔsɛ adwuma yɛ ma mɛgye ne megye ne me mɛdidi
nti ɔsɛ meyɛ ne yie
ɛsɛ meyɛ ne
civic
yie
education ɔno wɔsua
asɛm a ɔka kyerɛ me no ɛnɛ hwɛ nneɛma bebree papa ne yie nyinaa no na wabie mu ayɛ sɛ ɔbie green book yi a yɛanomfoɔ kɔyɛ bi obie mu a nneɛma ɔpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ nyinaa no wɔm ti nana akɔmi adwuma no deɛ ɔsɛ ha ne baabi a ne ɔfisi no onua ne ɔfisi no bi fa te sɛ ɔsɛ ne ayɛ yie kora no no ɔfisi ɔte no ɔsɛ ayɛ yie kora no no wobɛka sɛ yɛde ntɛfrɛ ne nkotrɛ ne yɛnyɛn ɔmɔ hɔ
civic education
na te panyin na ɔte wɔ kan no nneɛma dɔnkɔ na ɔyɛ medical doctor mɛboa nneɛma dɔnkɔ
health and safety
nneɛma dɔnkɔ ɔda na ɔwɔ mɛboa
health and safety and security
tɛ ɔda na ɔwɔ
yeah one and all
gyina office wɔ na dɛn na ɔyɛ wɔ
yo Ghana politicians by name but not politicians by competence Ghana hwɛ amasan hwɛ issue baako sɛ nana Akufo-Addo government wan consider civic education yɛbɛyɛ me yapa in the sense sɛ road accident kɛkɛ koraa no me road accident ɛsi Ghana obi a bɛka kyɛm sɛ abayifoɔ biara no wɔboa sɛ me meyɛ minister for road and transport a nka nipa mmiɛnsa pɛ bɛn na bɛka kaa wɔ Ghana commercial drivers.
Now, don't you think accidents may be crampo no minister and cry so resign and so resign.
Oh well, I know the in fact I check because of
resign
actually he has to resign.
Because
the same drivers
we are 1 point now accident
the same drivers no equal so accident the same drivers education be na dem awom. What is the competent level of drivers? Chroma say, we team for Ghana to the higher advance. But at least you say you more there no kakrako.
Na onya o ma bebre amfianko.
Health and safety. Chroma hazard perception. Hazard perception no. You as a driver no, you should be able to perceive the danger. Driver will do achi, and it will do anim. Ghana obinim health and safety. Apart from driving no kra no, health and safety atifi no. Obinim say health and safety. Omonim because civic education na was a very lighting woman no. Eni ho wo de mamika de bi nchiro national answer anthem a efiri mabode maaye no mami twem de ka be mambe 30 sika na mika wose yen ala ya sasini e ya board de mayen moja na nanam hwegu na nyade to ho maaye adume ne wo so se ye beye bi atoa so nimdia entra so nkontonkrane ne pesami nkumnya ato yem bra mu dem na eye asase ho tom se ọman yi no se beye yio ọman no se nye yio ọmanfo bra ene se ene be kire Efrema Mota me no twese adwe he's more than a prophet a philosopher he's more than a prophet ọman no se beye yio ọman no se nye yio amanfo bra ne se yen si de
no na be kire
eno na be kire
yebekɔ yɛnim o yɛnkɔ yɛnim o ɔman ne bɛsɛe o
so beto ababɔne o bibia ne kyerɛ wobɛnya the right parliamentarians o so wobɛnya the right government o so ɔnwɛm kyerɛ no ɛyɛ yɛnyɛ bra kwan ya bɛfa so abɛto aba ayi parliamentarians no Nana Akufo-Addo sɛ wɔn na yɛ current government enti me use as example ɔnyɛ mfonso but he has become a victim of circumstance busam sɛ die ntira sɛ wofa kwambɔne so to aba yi MP a obefa Nana Akufo-Addo so he will be compared to use nipa na adema no as a minister. Enti Nana Akufo-Addo become a victim of the
constitution state for
60% of the MPs from parliament. Enti eno na won say young parliamentarian politicians no especially Mekasa Nana Akufo-Addo onu anim say me have been following him since 1975 he knows it. So
now, but don't you think because I know you have to generalize it and now
but be the time say when I was so make us a woman sign when I was say what be chairman
people papa
okay say what be chairman MK ayi no say problem ho a okay say ma
no make say
me from ebo me pene
na say me buy commentary meeting
me from ma ebo any when you be the waba enu tin na Akufo-Addo na was so civic education no it's not for the fun of it.
We can't pay manager to unchewa you be see when this yes that you rule here.
It's not for the fun of it though. It's not for the fun of it. Just see it's for the reality, the relevance, the importance of it. Enti aba no wosenka wo hunu say no enipa na me de wo bu man no say nipa kro no a NDC di bu ye no say nipa kro no a na me di bu It's manhwe here. On them, how many are the ministers? The population, the citizen, on the percentage of citizens, you know, almost also say ministers, you know. Some of them, the minister back on the power almost the whole nation. Enti sa character no Ghana for na nkasa ni pedua no ne o se sesa no. Ya dwene no ya ba bia ye ni ye wo no, ya dwene no wo no esua. Ye nim de wo ayi e wo politics, economics, social life on esua. Sisi amam kansa ba ko hwe le character na sofu. Ebinim timi ko cement so nipa se mama loto dayem na 120 ko so cement over 2 hours. Na ye hwe na yes freedom of speech, freedom of association. Nti won say Kigali Rwanda president, what ban 600 churches? Young Ghana at where they.
No, but I know so years the same people also speak against
Christian Council. Where a Christian Council, you might
make us no so the same people.
A Christian Council
make us the same people.
Complain. A Christian Council, Juma, and your government, Juma. Christian Council, I'm taking Ghana.
Tell me about the government. Was it not the government or Kigali in the years?
What are you on, Uncle?
So why is this another Christian Council?
Oh, wait, Christian Council. They need the support of the government.
Yeah, they need the support from the government.
So, but Christian Council should
because more time I say freedom of speech, freedom of association,
freedom of speech,
freedom of worship.
Now, we share Ghana to say Ghana.
The deputy Americans, I don't know the government needs to come in.
Mamin can't back. May come a Ghana for what? May come a MPP government that to say. Abrofun si yenko ye gear. Any almost can't abrofun say almost one mienu. Ya Ghana it one polygamy.
Mienu pempo.
Oh, yan yet you one mienu.
Mienu pempo. Mienu got the channel.
Enti also so woman consumption.
I go to Nagami.
I'm saying, yeah, okay. Now, was it do almost Mugabe cancer?
Mugabe is a better.
I said, then Obama, maybe I should marry you fair to say.
Nana Kufuor should tell the Western world to say. I said, Theresa May, who tie be a tie. So Nana Kufuor should tell Theresa May, say, so we say, yanko worry, man, man, worry, dear. Yan mum. Na mo de ka chon se wo so ma onkrofo no kwa mema no so nware ma mienu ene ma mi
sa polygamy get best starting from nikunu
so mo dem chira no ade mo wa
we gana ni ba bi wo ma nikunu
ade ntina aprofo no ye dura yan ka no kwa nchira aprofo ye asoma mi ke chira na meka me te abroche na meka so wo se ye nware ma ne nware na mema ne mema nware dia wo so no emma wo mema no so nware ma mienu so wo ye se wo bepena ade ntina wo mpese wo impose wo culture on us. So, because lack of civic education, how many people are enlightened in Ghana? Make enlightenment. Me say jirahaka, and then America. Me say there is difference between knowledge. Uko university, so ko Harvard kura kusunya dia, and knowledge na ko akwaye. It's different from intelligence. Say ubetime we university na unim nyansa.
Oh.
Ubetime we university na unim nyansa. And abetime say we see school there mo da, nso na unim nyansa. Until the fact is that we are university, just we are intelligent. You could be knowledgeable, but you could not be intelligent. Some of them, you know. And so 3 years, you know, we are knowledgeable, not say intelligent. We are different. Sometimes such people, we are not man for time for myself. So because some people, some of them are very principled. They believe in their principles. Some of them, you know. Obi boy, JH means anum. Wouldn't mean for JH means anum. Nana Kufuor no time no parliament no. Timum fan to and agrobia ye din horo. And now we could get to Abrakwa no more. I'm parliament. Now, one more bro, almost show off. They have not learned. They are not learning. Some of them, they are living within their limited experience. And Nana Kufuor, MPP government, and they are fresh NCCE. Namon trans, namon structure. Civic education should be promoted, effectively promoted in Ghana. Because you are cheaper. Ghana, ye nim dear war, yan casano, ya awareness, no.
Yo,
awareness in Israel.
Yada say, if I close remarks about the Coach is not so funny, the Emra. You must have a twice to be you. It will be a 2 year if I red pen, cycle or mammy. And your permanent, you must have answer as I change management and so abba. You want send me breaker, any animal at me. Yo, Gucci. Young Chema upon for closing.
Yo, and you know, Madame Bebre, my tear for nay, one way young went him, and said, YouTube won't be. Namo, the American say, you were some bonopo. Say, and nemre no yetim to do guba abasa dia. And ye near was some bonopo. Say, nemre, yetim yasasi, yensuo yakwaye, sikaka crebe benya, yan minute action, yes, son, dear. ne wa yi
assemble
ye wa assemble no po se adrabafo a mukuta hwe no se mo so no mo de tramadol ene ensane de kne kaka kokum ehwi akra gu saa no de a ene ne wa assemble no po na mum de meka ne se adum pempenso bi afa de enough is enough aba no mrem civic education one fano two front no formal and the informal one on starting no a curriculum no on fanka a new educational reform no or incomplete na you started from kindergarten through to senior high school na informal no so no one more enrich one how do you call it one empower NCCE na woman ntimi nyi woman adwuma te set te busy anom time no na how do you call mobile cinema ne nam no na omunyi omadwuma yie na Ghana no ye knowledge about civility no is far too low. Patriotism in Ghana, civic education edi patriotism beba ama ebedi mfie du echi no ono na nakufo anu be say yes edua na odua ya edua ba na odua ya no aso abapa medamase
Gucci ya da apose batwa fadi ozo to azo.
Okay, you better obibia say na die no koyi pa chance when it comes to civic education dia na obi authority efidie ni say ye bo hono mo ensem pe na te say ani aso say call nene yesua eno bibiri efri eye professor Okonko hono mo I hope say any last
Well, I mean, we could change management in also. Very good. People will change.
You better win now.
Go on your best obia.
Yes, some free yakwa. Change of government by and we won't change. We need change is coming. No, it wasn't at the Flagstaff House. Next say yeah, sabi ya dwunu change. I'm saying
basically, you know.
And only and yan take place. And we think I said yeah, vote buying it animal. That's all cost. Why need your fan system? Yeah, my baby. Are you okay?
Yo.
You know,
Yada say, yada ifidie so afa nyina sesere meka High FM. Minia ZKB. Aseda kese na nkoma o. Enyanom so amutie yei. Ewo nkro ni nyina so achimemu. Sa so na eye komemu. Asantememu. Baby bia mu wo bia mote yenka no. Yade aseda kese na emamu nyina. Yenim say na otwese na mo be say tie Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday die niesi ochina so the modern say yeah a man so beba adwenkese program ni nyina no ebeba tino yeah tembia no modern Ghana web tune in e wonyina mo sa betimi akayen me number so die amanse nyina number 07983131338 Onsan kamekra o de WhatsApp me me hu a me bo mo de no ada nwadi na ye nyina yetimi adwendwen ama Ghana ho me se de WhatsApp me 004479831338 send me message ni ye nyina yetimi enwenwen ama Ghana ho ayan konkonsa ade amoya my dear ha o kra ni me ma meka esa metra kunwa so amebodi Nemo yemo mina koda nim de frame na yanjwetwe ehun komo nyame enko bibia wo bi onya abotre itie ye wo ayetimi amba odi enye bo apayo nemo koso ana koso nyame ba na tie ye edamase makramo bye bye